So now I'm using the Studio Skull foundation, where I'm mixing two colors in that. Okay, that I won't tell you what color I've mixed. I'll tell you. So basically, this is NC45 which I'm using. Okay, this is available in MAC. NC45, and I use a C5 by Face and Body. The big bottle which I use is C5 by Face and Body. Okay. So always do your final check on the forehead and you see that yeah, it's more or less working. And if you notice, I just tap, tap, tap. I don't over blend the foundation. I just use this dabbing technique. A lot of people I've seen in Instagram show कि यहाँ eyelids पे foundation नहीं लगाना है, लेकिन कभी-कभी अगर हम वो नहीं करते हैं तो skin tone अलग लगने लगता है. Then suddenly if you put some other shadow, it looks like somebody punched your eye, right? तो हमेशा हमें एक टोन पहले लगाना ही लगाना है. Always remember the ears, behind the ears, everywhere, so you don't look like a face pack.
This foundation is for all skin types?
Yes, darling, for all skin types. Velvet's problem skin. What is the best thing about this foundation? That you can layer it.
Can you repeat the shade number?
Sure, darling. It was NC45 and C5 by Face and Body. NC45 was Studio Sculpt by MAC and Face and Body again by MAC, but it was C5. Okay, so we make sure everywhere the face, body, everything looking one tone. And whatever is left over, don't be stingy, use it on the back also. So it gives a uniform tone to the face and body. Okay, now I make sure my hands are clean before I start the eyes. Now just gently use a buffing brush, very gentle, so that ये पूरा skin में घुल मिल जाएगा foundation. Always make sure you keep your dirty brushes separate. Again, clean them, wash them, and then refurbish into your bag. Okay? Now, before I do my eye makeup, I'm not going to use the loose powder under the eye. I'm going to just use it on the eyelids. हम लोग eyelids पे क्यों लगाते हैं? बता सकते हैं loose powder?
So it sets the...
Yes, perfectly alright. So ताकि क्या वहाँ पे lines या creases नहीं होगी. तो हल्का सा हम लूज पाउडर यहाँ पे लगाएंगे बस. And normally women only sweat on the upper lip, not so much. So you don't need to pour powder like a lot of people put too much powder on the face. And that looks scary.
Sorry again, which loose powder is that?
I'm sorry?
Which loose powder is that?
Which loose powder? Okay, it's a Laura Mercier loose powder. Darling.
Is that the tinted one?
Yeah, the tinted one, guys.
मत करो, फटेगा. जूम करने वाला.
So now I'm going to use a little, because it's a bronze X or
समझ में आ
something,
गया क्या बोल रहा है।
because it's a bronze X goddess looks, I'm going to use a bit of a matte shadow and a lot of shimmer shine sparkle.
समझ रहा हूँ। आपको बोलना पड़ेगा।
So first I will start with the contour area of the eye. Now if you see, I'm holding two puffs so that my one puff doesn't touch the skin and the other puff I'm holding so that I'm not touching the foundation. Okay? Open your eyes, darling. Look at the audience. Lovely. So this is the transition color which I'm using. Now because she's dusky, I'm doing more of brown because browns look very sultry. So I'm going to use a combination of black, brown and a lot of copper. Okay? Same thing with the other eye. Then you really need to complain to the hotel that the AC is really not working at all. We're not going to pay his money, bloody devil. So I've used a rust combination and a brown combination on the brow bone area. And now I'm playing with the crease line as well. So for the crease line, I'm going to take like a dark brown and a black. So now use a darker color. Can you see that, darling? Now the trick is जो उनकी end है, end को हमें कैसे पकड़ के इसको outwards खींचना. Look towards me. See, this is a very good trick. So you get this perfect precision कि आपकी crease line bang on आती है. जरा भी हिलेगी डलेगी नहीं. So can you see that lovely flick out kind of a look coming? Okay, so this is called a cat eye look. If you see that whole cat eye effect comes, but most of the time we've seen makeup artists going very haywire with that line. तो पूरा महाभारत की द्रौपदी जैसा look आ जाता है, एकदम अजीब, unfinished, unblended. That looks very ugly. You have to make sure it's well blended. I think makeup कुछ भी करो has to look blended. The look can look very scary. Okay, so we've done almost with the crease. Now we will start doing the eyeshadow. So now I'm using liquid eyeshadow as a pre-base for metallic eye. So जब भी हमें कुछ metallic करना है, जैसे हम लोग foil paper eyeshadow बोलते हैं, so we will use this something like that, okay? But just in the lid जहाँ पे हमने crease किया उसके नीचे, crease को हम छेड़ेंगे नहीं. Yeah, so far so good. Same thing on this eye, and I'll do this. It's like a recap, so I'll be using a liquid shadow here. Yeah, so far so good. We've just used it within the crease line. Yeah, darling. So we're using Ferrero-Rocher, and I'm using the Tarte palette. Okay, so these are the colors, like a baked eyeshadow. Yeah. Now again, I'm going on the outer wing. So by doing the outer ring, see her eyes pop out and look a little more bigger and prettier. And I'm dragging it all the way out. I'm sorry? The liquid eyeshadow is also by Ferrero-Rocher. Yeah. Don't worry with the product. एक बार look हो जाएगा, फिर हम पूरा recap करेंगे कि आप लगाया था. वो don't worry. भी आपसे कुछ छुपाएंगे नहीं डालेंगे. If you see, my crease is not going haywire, right? So if you see, even in the inner corners, I'm doing a little darker crease so that the eyes pop out like a 3D. So the outer corner, inner corner may dark here, and then the center is going to be really shiny, and I'm going to put a little shimmer also, which I'll show you. Okay, so I'm just kind of finishing the crease into a nice finish look. Look at. Now another trick which I'll share with you कि हम लोग नीचे shadow जब लगाते तो हमेशा fall out आता है. The trick is to use a pencil because pencil में creme texture रहता है, फिर उसके ऊपर shadow tap करें ताकि fall out नहीं होगा. Okay? So even if there's, God forbid, any fallout, because it's creamy down, you can always clean it up. Pink powder. Now I'm tapping a little powder eyeshadow on the pencil so it kind of protects the eye from bleeding. So anytime you're using kajal, anything also, your shadow or kajal will not bleed. Now again you take a fluffy brush and just diffuse the ends. Now I'm using a black gel inside the eye, inside the waterline. Okay, now the same gel will go on the upper waterline also, because I do not want to do a liner on this look, so I'm going to make it look as if it's like a liner but from inside. और ये करने से क्या होता है कि लैशेस भी घनी लगती है, कभी कभी लोगों को लैशेस होती भी नहीं है, so it gives a nice feel of thickness on the lashes, yeah. Okay. Now I'm using my favorite brand, Forever 52. I think I swear by Forever 52. So Kunal, you need to shoot this. Forever 52 has fantastic mascara, fantastic highlighters which I'm going to use. Their concealers are very good. Their blush plate is what I've used today on my face also. So I always like a lot of flush look. If you see my brides, my actresses, उनके मुंह पे थोड़ा सा लाली होता है, because I think the color looks very soft. So what I like about Forever 52 is उनके जो blushers है, they're not cakey or pasty. जरा सा लगा उसमें थोड़ा सा glow भी है और powdery नहीं है ज़्यादा. नहीं तो काफी लोग बोलते हैं बहुत है कम करो. They give it a very nice flush look, and the best thing for Forever 52 is very easily priced and very easily approachable and fantastic quality. I've never had an excuse or a problem with any of their products. So this is a must try. I'll show you that there's something called XXL. It's a red color mascara which is just recently fused, but it is magic. So now I'm curling her lashes. I know a lot of people are very still scared about curling lashes. I don't know why.
लाइट ऑफ
has been recording 66 के books होते हैं.
उधर से वहाँ से
The trick is just tapping the mascara.
इनमें थोड़ा ऐसा है ना
So I'm using the Max Reflex glitters. It's really pretty. The glitters like to die for actually. But before I do that, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty primer. So Huda Beauty comes with a lovely liquid eyeshadow primer as well. It's really stunning, a must buy. So you get various colors in this with Huda, and this is like a nail polish brush. So you can actually paint with it. Close. And it gives that lovely gold foil kind of a liquid look. Again, I take the favorite flat brush. Always use a nylon brush, not the synthetic brush for glitter. Tap the excess and just dab, 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 dab. Also, I'm going to mix a little bit of a copper glitter, which I have here. Can you see the sheen now? It just suddenly pops up. Can you see that? Cap on this side, so I'm using the same glitter liquid here. can do. Yeah, six pack but that's right. Sit down. Yeah. Now I'm going to use the Anastasia contour palette. Always hold the cheekbone and smell everywhere. And go at this angle for your perfect cheekbones. You can sculpt the cheekbone. Can you see the cheekbone bang on now? Yeah? Because we're giving her a very model look, so I'm going to go a little deeper on the cheekbone. With the same tip of the brush, I'm doing the nose slightly. And a little bit of the cleavage, enhancing. Okay. Now we're going to try and use a little bit of a peachy blush. So I'm using the Morphe and the Kylie palette, okay? So just above the cheekbone, slightly we're going. This is the Huda Beauty highlighter I'm using. Now I'm using a little waterproof mascara on the lower lash line. अगर आप देख रहे हैं even if I'm touching my liquid eyeshadow वो move नहीं हो रहा है क्यों? Can anybody tell me that why? Huh, ladies? Does anybody have any idea why is my liquid eyeshadow not moving? And? I'm sorry? Right, exactly. Very good answer. So हम लोग ने 2 बार प्राइमर लगाया ताकि वो उसको पकड़ के रखता है तो फॉल आउट। काफी टाइम हम लोग शादी में ग्लिटर विटर लगा, फिर लैशेस पे दुनिया भर का ग्लिटर गिरा ही होता है बेचारों का, एंड दैट लुक्स वेरी स्कैरी। सो ऑलवेज मेक श्योर यू टॉप इट अप लाइक दैट। And if you see, I'm peeling out the eyelashes on the end slightly. Okay? You see what a mirror, yeah. Will you do the lips slightly? Just give it to her. Now she's going to do her lips, and then I'll open up the hair and do the remaining. Any questions, ladies? Mehak? So I'm using a lip plumping gloss called Lip Injection, if you have heard of. It gives a little permanent pout for like 4 to 5 hours. Very nice. Okay. Yep. AC का कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा। Darling, can you go and just tell them of the AC is like ridiculously hot? Where's the Santoor? Santoor, AC चा sound खूप गरम आहे इकडे. It's too much. I can't handle it. I'll lose it in my head now. Hold it, son. Okay. Take it थोड़ा सा पकड़ के लिए है. I can't see. No, not so much. Head. Lovely. Down. Only one person of the whole class. Shame on you. Oh, very good. Very good. 3 people to hair. Oh, 4 people, 5 people. Now, क्या हुआ? शर्म आ रही है? वेरी गुड, बट डोंट यू थिंक इट्स इजियर अगर एक पर्सन करता है लुक? यस, हेयर हेल्पर ले जा सकते हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी क्या होता है, हम लोग हेयर ड्रेसर ओवर स्मार्ट लेके जाती है तो उनको कितना एटीट्यूड होता है कि उनको बताओ ऐसा नहीं ऐसा करो दीदी, तो वो दीदी को बड़ा खुजली है. Am I right? So I always carry hair helpers. I always do hair myself because I can't take drama. Right? Heroine हम है ना, वो नहीं है, right? Okay. Don't make it dark. I think she wants dark, so I think the softer lips look better, right? अभी ट्रेंड में है ना, तो आप पकड़ोगे अभी. I think whoever's doing makeup should also do a little crash course with me or with whoever for hair. I think it's always easier when you know your look, because क्या होता है, आपको जिसको बुलाते, राइट, हमको देख के ब्राइड आती है या जो भी आर्टिस्ट आता है, तो अगर आपके हाथ में कंट्रोल है पूरा लुक का तो वो आसानी रहती है. अगर किसी और के हाथ में रखो तो वो फिर बहुत टिपिकल ओल्ड स्कूल हो जाता है. So Chandu, shut the door. Can you please shut the door? The AC can't work, Mrs. Khan. जिसको आना जाना हो 10 बार दरवाजा खोलेगा, ऐसे तो मर जाएंगे हम लोग. और पिन्स भी ऐसे डालना है कि पिन्स दिखे नहीं. लॉट टाइम्स हेयर ड्रेसर्स पुट सो मेनी पिन्स कि पूरा पिन बन अच्छा बना लेकिन पिन दिखता है. ऐसा अच्छा लेकिन पूरी दुनिया भर की पिन की दुकान दिखती है. So what is the point of doing that, right? All right, so our model is ready. Come, you want to start? No, Afreen Appa, earrings आज मिलेगी कि कल? राकेश मेरा फोन देंगे, मेरा बैग रक्षा बस मैं फोन. Come, stand up, Annie. Can I have my phone?
Yeah.
Spray वाला हाथ है.
पीछे रुकिए. क्लोज अप.
ये उनकी खुद की है. पहले चल के देखो पहले. stunning.
वीडियो लेंगे ना